All right, so finishing up this project. A little bit of light here. I'm putting on the last few touches. And that looks good, so we will take this up and see what we got here. See if we can clear that. If we clear that snap ring, we're good to go. If not, then I have some more work to do, yeah? Stay tuned. All right, so let's give you a close-up now that I have my, what do we call that thing? Lost my train of thought. Tripod. There we go. Now we have the tripod in. The camera's not so shaky. So you see this part here. That is the snap ring location that I need to get to. It's got a little bit of rust on it, but that'll be fine. So this still turns. Like I said, this doesn't turn because the final drive, but this still turns, and this pops into place. So if I can get it to do it one hand. See that? Oh, sorry. See? It works. Now I'm gonna bring you down. Let's zoom in here and see if we can install this snap ring. Let's put it on here. Put it over. I might have to get a new one if I can't bend this back. I might have to get a new one of these. Give me a second. All right, so I bent it back a little bit. So now I can't slide it over. So hopefully I can take this now and push it out a bit. I still don't like the way that sits. It's supposed to be pretty snug, so I might buy another one of these, and then finally I can put this on. So that will be another, hopefully I get a part for. Unexpected, but can try one more time to bend it down some. Yeah, it's really loose, and I don't remember it being that loose, so I'm just going to replace this part. I remember this being a little tighter than this right here. That's okay. But essentially now I need to get the roller bearing here and the roller bearing for Yo, and this will be ready to be put back. The trans will be ready to put back together, and I'll do a walkthrough video like David Patience did for us all, and his video was very good. So stay tuned for that. But I'm super excited to finally have this back on and be this close. Like, I've never taken apart an input shaft, and this is technically the part 2 of the input shaft, is getting this drive back on. And I'm gonna pat myself on the back here, because in season 3 or focus 3 I had a failed 2018 Mustang 2.3 liter throttle body. So basically what I did was I busted out the little lever here and all of the innards to get it out, and then I used this as a pressing tool to press on the final gear, which you saw in the opener, using these two drivers as well. This was pretty clever because I didn't have anything to sit down on top of the final gear to press it in evenly so it didn't warp. But if you have one of these lying around, the 2.3, I think this is like the I want to say it's 52 millimeters, 62 millimeters, something like that. You can look it up. But this is the one you're going to need to fit over on that final drive if you have one of these tools lying around. Turn this into a tool. It's so cool. Anyway, with that being said, I'm going to have to end it here. I need to get roller bearings, and I'm still having trouble getting those, but I'll get them. And now I need a new final drive clip to lock that in place. It really won't go anywhere with that, but this was meant to be here for a reason. So I'm going to go get a new one of those. You will need this special tool. I think I linked this in the first part of this video. So make sure you grab one of those or you won't be able to get it out. And yeah, that's it. So I will see you soon for some pretty cool updates for the SE. Give you a little glimpse of that right there. And I will say, for anybody that wants, let me remove all this stuff out of the way so you can see. For anybody that wants to hit me up, I have a Focus RS exhaust for sale. If you want to hit me up on Instagram, if you would like to purchase this, let me pull it out here. Your little showcase here. Focus RS exhaust OEM. Hit me up and we can talk out, shipping in and a price point. It won't be super expensive, but we'll talk about that. It doesn't have the valve motor, so you'd have to, if you're trying to put this on your SE, then you won't need it anyway. But if you already have the RS, then you should already have the valve motor to go with this. For the STs, you won't need it as well. So yeah, I chose this one. You'll find out why soon. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this episode. It's gonna be Focused Hands signing off. Peace.